Okay, so now it is time for third agent, and that agent is called Mike. Mike is going to manage our calendar on Google Calendars, and here we have his name, his short description, core instructions. Similar way I have put in over here in this Google Sheet, sorry, Google Word file. You can take it from there. We are going to use various tools that will connect Mike to Google Calendar app, and along with that we are going to use integration, which is Google Calendar app, so Mike can control them. Now let's quickly build that agent itself. So let's go here, I'll move myself aside, click new agent, give it name. So here we have something called Mike the calendar manager. I can also put my name next to it, so I know that this agent I built. And then we have here something called agent description. We are good with this, so I just copy paste everything, and then now in terms of integration or triggers, we don't need any trigger as such, because it's going to be handled by the master agent, and it will work always with the command of master agent itself. So no need to install any triggers. Let's go to tools and let's add. Okay, so once that part is done, let's head here and let's try to figure out some tools. Now you can see here, so in case of Google Calendar, we have many tools available where it says get event from Google Calendar. Let's click on that. Create a meeting event in Google. So obviously Meet is something where we can connect on the main call itself. Then all Google Calendar things. Cancel event we are going to add. Get calendar event details, we are going to add that. Get primary Google Calendar details, that's also fine. And check Outlook calendar schedule demo, I think we don't need that. So I think we are good with this, all of these things. And along with that, we are also going to give them power to send emails or do some sort of draft reply. I think send email is more than good. Why so? I'll tell you. So whenever, let's say Mike is going to schedule a meeting for someone, right, it can also notify them with a proper email message that I scheduled a meeting for you on this time, this date. So that's how Mike gets capabilities working with Google Calendar, with the Google Meet, as well as the Gmail. Now let's quickly configure everything over here. So click on get events. Click on all the tools one by one. See here, the tool name comes up, and this entire section has listing of all the tools what you have. So let's go back on the top. This account looks good, no need to change anything. Let's select our Google account. So it's by default connected with our previous thing, so we can simply go ahead and select that. Use all the default setting, more than good. Let's select our Google account over here. This doesn't require to have an account, that's fine. This also requires to have an account, select that. Then here also it requires an account. Configuration, get primary Google Calendar event, that's fine. And then send email is also we are going to do from Vanisham22. Perfect. So all of these tools now have our respective email or Google account connected, and then Mike will be able to use them properly. No need to change this. Auto runs are more than good. No need to change this prompt as well. They are by default given as a good thing. So nothing to worry about. All looks good. Perfect. Now let's head to the core instructions. So now Mike has all the tools which it requires. Now we are going to go ahead and configure his core instructions. So let's click on this. It will take you here, and then from here simply copy everything. You can paste it here, and let's configure all of these instructions one by one. Sorry, all of these, yeah, core instructions here. Now here it says Mike can retrieve Google calendar details. So in this case we can say action is get all details from Google Calendar including the primary calendar. And what tools it needed? It says get all Google Calendar details, get primary Google Calendar events or details. So let's put or press this /, choose tools, and here we have, see this, so it says get Google Calendar details, primary calendar details. I think we have this calendar details, that's fine. Let's try to choose another tool if it is there. Perfect, it's also there. Tool needed this, and I'll say this tool, and we can simply remove this, delete that part. Create new event. Here Mike will need to create a new Google Meet event inside the Google Calendar. Simply put /, go to tools, and then create Meet event in Google Calendar. Then we have get existing events. Let me separate them first so you'll not get confused. See here, so these are all the different things we have. Notify user, save draft reply. Perfect, done. So let's go for get existing event. In this case, it will ask us to have a tool called get Google Calendar event details, get event from Google Calendar. So let's go and check. We have these tools. Get Google Calendar event details, and second tool that we are going to have is get event from Google Calendar. I think yes, perfect. Then update event, tool for update event is not provided, so I think in this case we can get rid of this entire thing. Maybe let's check out this. Cancel event is there, but no update event as such. So okay, let's get rid of this whole thing. Cancel event is here, so we can simply go ahead and map the tool for cancel event. Done. Then we have notify user, send an email via Gmail. That looks good. So send an email via Gmail is fine, and create draft reply in case if you wanted to, but I think we do not have that particular tool, so let's get rid of this as well. So okay, what it can do is it can retrieve all the calendar event details. It can retrieve or create a new event. It can access all the existing event, cancel event, and even notify them and new people. So that's it. This is how Mike is configured with his all tools and his capabilities. And over here we can again go back, go to OpenAI, Foro Mini, and that's more than good. So I think you understood by this time. So it's a combination of core instructions, how the agent should work, and second is what all tools or capabilities they have. Apart from that, we don't need to do anything else. Abilities are like more than good by default. Setting looks good. Sub agent, Mike doesn't have any sub agent. Metadata is fine, no need to change that. Advanced settings are fine. Configure templates, task views, nothing needed at this point. Our agent is fully configured. Click publish changes, and then we are going to test it. So I'll say create a new meeting for tomorrow with myself to study and explore AI. Make it 60 minutes and at 9 a.m. IST. I simply gave it a command. It's a new task that is going to follow, and let me quickly open my Google Calendar at the same time. Click calendar. Let's go here. See how it is working. So it is now chosen itself the tool called create meet event in Google Calendar. Here it got the account name, it got the study thing. Let's see, description is fine itself, study and explore AI. Time is 9 a.m. 27th April, Asia, Kolkata. And now it's waiting for output. Agent needs, okay, from name, I actually forgot that, so it's Manish M. Click run. Just a quick fix it was. Let's go back to agent edit and we'll see how it goes. So I think in tools we forgot one thing over here. It requires, okay fine, it took it now. So all these red streaks are mandatory field, we should fill them. If there are more configuration, we should be careful about while we are setting up the agent. So publish change, that's okay. And let's see what happened with this task. Okay, see here, the meeting was successfully scheduled 9 a.m. IST, 60 minutes, study and explore this thing. Let's go and check our Google Calendar, what happened actually. So today it's showing until 26. I'll show the whole week, I'm not sure, the whole month maybe. Let's do this way. Perfect, see here, 27th, I got this meeting scheduled in my calendar. How cool is that? This is amazing, I would say. Let's go to day level and see here, study and explore AI. And how many credit this consumed? Just 6 credits, 6.3 credits are being consumed from Mike's side. So yeah, that's it. This task is done and this particular agent is also configured. We are good for now. I'll reconnect you on the next video. Thank you.